Hey fellow Dashers, it's Dean here again with a quick tip for today, especially today. Happy Thanksgiving. This tip applies to mostly Thanksgiving, Christmas, other major holidays. So this tip is going to be very important for days like today. And the tip has to do with what happens when you accept an order and you get to the store and the store is closed. Now, on many Thanksgivings, the stores have been open, and this has been going on for quite some time, maybe a couple of decades. But this year, for whatever reason, big box stores like Walmart, Target, things like that, they're all closed today. And as well as the big box stores, there's a lot of these little small restaurants, as well as some of the bigger restaurants like Chick-fil-A or Schlotzsky's or Tropical Smoothie Cafe. They're all closed today. So while you're dashing today and for the rest of today, you may notice an order come in for those restaurants that you may know is closed, right? So this tip is going to be one for the new guys out there, what to do when you get an order and you get to the store and it's closed, what to do in that situation, and what you should specifically be doing on days like today, like Thanksgiving, when you know the store is closed. You're waiting for an order, you get that order for Chick-fil-A, and you went, wait a minute, the store is closed, and I'm going to tell you why you should take that order, okay? So the first thing is, even during the year, there are times when a store may be closed. It could have to do with employee issues or renovations, things like that. And you may not know it when you accept the order. You may go to the restaurant and say, the place is closed. How am I supposed to pick up? So in that case, if you accept an order and the store is closed, what you do in the order, you want to hit the help button in the top corner, and then you'll see a choice that says stores closed. They're going to ask you to take a picture of the store. Now, the same thing goes for Android. With the Android app, what you're going to see is a question mark in the top right corner. If you show up to the store and it's closed, hit that question mark. You're going to see an option that says merchant is closed. For both the iPhones and the Android phones, there's going to be the need to take a picture of the store being closed. So what you want to do is either take a picture of an obvious sign, something that's in the window right there that says closed for the day, today's Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving, we're closed. Anything that determines by a sign that the store is closed. Now, if there is no sign, and let's say they have their normal schedule, and that normal schedule on their door includes the time that you're there and the day that you're there, what you want to do is take a picture as best as you can through a window, something indicating that the store is closed, like the store is dark. You take a picture of the inside of the restaurant or whatever, and it's dark. Anything you can do as an image proof that the store is closed. Now, once you do that, here's the catch. You're going to get 50% of the guaranteed rate that was on the order. So let's say you took the order, it was for a couple of miles, and it was for $6. If you get to the store and it's closed, you go through that process, and then what's going to happen is you're going to get 50% of the guaranteed rate, and you don't even have to make the delivery, right? So you'll get $3 just for showing up to the store. This is where the good part comes in. On a day like today, so this morning I was out dashing. Chick-fil-A was closed. Schlotzsky's was closed. Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Popeye was closed. Popeye's chicken. These stores are closed for the day. Now, until later on in the day, when Doordash finally catches on that enough people reported that the store is closed, those orders may still come in. So you may have somebody that's ordering from Chick-fil-A. The order comes in. You take the order. You know Chick-fil-A is closed. I don't care how far the distance of the delivery is. If it's a decent pay rate, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 for that order, and you know the store is closed, take the order. Are you listening to me? Take the order. Why? You know it's closed. What you're going to do is you want to drive to the store. So say you drive to Chick-fil-A, like I did today. You know it's closed. Take a picture of that closed sign. They're closed for Thanksgiving. Submit that to DoorDash. Boom, you make half the money. I think it was some holiday. It may have been Christmas or something where Chick-fil-A was closed and orders were coming in for Chick-fil-A on Christmas, one after another after another. So I sat in the parking lot of Chick-fil-A accepted the order, took the picture, accepted the next order, took the picture, accepted the next order, took the picture, and this went on and on and on for an hour. So I wasn't even driving to a customer's house. I was getting 50% of the pay of each of these orders as they were coming in, right? So on a day like today, Thanksgiving, find out which stores, either through driving around or check them out. Some of the popular fast food joints like Chick-fil-A, I'm assuming that they're going to be closed nationwide. So if you're out driving tonight and you're driving on Thanksgiving, which is probably a good night because there's probably huge peak pays for tonight. If you happen to be driving tonight and you see an order for $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 for a Chick-fil-A, for Schlotzsky's, or for one of the stores that is closed, take it. Because all you need to do is drive to the store, go through that process, which takes 30 seconds, take the picture, submit it, boom, you just made, $3, $4, $5 for nothing. You don't even have to finish the drive. That the main point of today is on a day like today, on a holiday like Thanksgiving, the store's closed, take the order because you're going to get paid 50% of what the guaranteed rate was on the order when you took it. All right? So listen, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If you're out tonight, be safe. There's going to be people drinking and driving. Be safe while you're delivering. I'm expecting that you're going to have a good night. There's going to be some good bonuses tonight, some peak pay bonuses. So be safe, and I will see you in the next video.